Good morning, everyone. In this video, basically, we are resuming our part which I was left yesterday. So, in last videos, as we have remembered, I have done so many basic uh, programming of the Python, like uh, Python's data type, Python number, Python casting, and Python string. Till now, I have done in a previous video. After in this video, basically, we will cover further of this remaining tutorial. So, in this video, basically, we start with a Python operator, right? And Python operator is very, uh, the name suggests what we do in Pythons. Basically, we perform several operations like addition, subtractions, multiplications. You know what? All these things we have performed. So, yes, here we write the code of from this line we start a Python operator, and you all know about and you are all aware about operator are basically used to perform operations on the variables and their values. There are several operator like arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and last bitwise operator. These all operators are very important, and we will discuss one by one. Firstly, we start with a basic code. Firstly, we add a two number, and how we write the code in Python that I will see in this code. So start first of all we use print function. Print, and we take any variable like uh, any value you can take 5 plus 2 and run it. Yes, you will see 5 plus 2 is 7. You have get output. So in this way we will work, and it's very easy as compared to the other language. So we don't need to worry about it. So then now we will assign the value in variable. Then we will add it, right? So first of all we have to take one variable, that is x. And in this x we have to assign a 5. Any integer you can assign. Got it? Now you can take another variable. Let's take y. In y, we have to assign any another integer. Yeah, you can assign same integer like this. And for addition, you have to write the functions print, and you have to give first identification space. If you don't give space, you will get error. I will show you. I don't have any space, so if we run this code, then it will got error. I will show you. Run it. No, print x. It's oh, okay. I think there is a space. No. Oh yes, so don't worry. No error will come, so you will find to do like that. Also, in similar pattern, we will subtract also. Basically, we will use the operator subtractions, and you will get result 0. Yes, so all right. Now move to a multiplications operator, and first of all we have to same things. You will, and now in this way we will take another. Sorry, what happened? All right. Okay, run it. So 0 is here. Now if we multiply the same things, what if we only do print x into y, then what you will get is they assign this value automatically. check it? Obviously, you don't need to write always x is equal to this, x is equal to this. You because our compiler, your Jupyter notebook, they take these variables value. And similarly, you can uh, divisions also form. So for that, you have to do one function. You have to write print function, and in this column, you have to do only one things. You have to use an division operator. That's all. In this way, you will get answer 1. Once you have to run it 1.0. Okay. In this way, we perform a division. Now we perform, yeah, how we use operator modulus. First of all, modulus operator gives what? If the number is divisible or not. If the number is divisible, it will give 0 or 1. Let's take print and x modulus y. You will get the result. Yes, 5. Once, yes, sorry. I have done one mistake. This is not a modulus operator, right? This is an AND operator. That's why basically what AND operator say. If a two statement is true, result is true. That's why. Yes. So if we what if we have to write print x modulus y, then you will get a perfect answer. 0. Have you noticed? Because 5 on dividing 5 by 5, you will get remainder 0. That's why it's so 0. Alright. Now we will do one more operators code. It is exponential. How it will work? You can see. Let's perform. In exponential, basically we take variable x and we will assign value 2. Another variable y, we will assign value 5. And print x 2 times we will use a multiplication operator, and what we will uh, get the result. We get the result like 2 is multiply 5 times. If 5 is multiplies 2 times, a result will be the same. Yes, obviously y is missing, so we need to put y and run it. What is it? This is a exponential power, that is x to the power y है. इसका मतलब 2 का power 5 है. Means to say 2 is dividing 5 times. 2 2 2. It's 5, and when we multiply 2 5 times, we will get 32. That is the things what we have floor division. Now, what floor division means to say that? Basically, floor division means to say that when floor divisions the roundest result, and it's give the nearest whole number. I hope you I know you don't understand what I'm saying. So let's take example. X is equal to 15. All right. And y is equal to 2. And we basically we use print function, and we will use a x by double forward backward slash y, and you will get a result basically 7. What do you say? Means to say on dividing 15 by 2, you will get a result 7.5, right? But float division say that if the number is this is your float division. That's it. Okay, this is a ground, and if the question asks ground, then you will give the answer 5, and the float that is 7. So now we will learn about a Python assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign the value to the variables. Okay, what means to say that if you, let's take example, if you take x is equal to 5, x, and this is an additional operator 3, and print x, तो क्या होगा? तो यहाँ देख सकते हैं हमने एक बार x को 5 लिया है, फिर उसमें हमने एडिशनल इंक्रीमेंट लगाया है, ठीक है? सो इसमें 3 मतलब ऐड होगा, जो x पहले से साइन है ना, उसमें 3 ऐड होगा, तो आपका आंसर जो है वो 8 आएगा। देख लेते हैं रन करके, देख रहे हैं 8 आ गया ना। उसी तरह से आप चाहो तो x 5 ही रहेगा, एंड इस बार आप चाहो तो सब्ट्रैक्शन पे भी काम कर सकते हैं। x और ये करें ना, तो क्या होगा रिजल्ट, ठीक है? तो इस बार क्या होगा रिजल्ट, पहले से x 5 था, इसमें 3 कम कर रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली 2 आना चाहिए, राइट? नो, 3, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, x 5, now we will check it, change the variable this time, 6, 3, you get it? In this way the things is going on. So now we will move further operator, multiplications you can do same, and division, modulus operator same things, and operator. So basically what an operator does, so this is a power, in this way both so many operators that you have to perform with yourself. All things will be covered here is only the wastage of time, so we don't need to do all things in this video. So we will move a further topic, and now we will study the list. What is Python list? And the questions, right? So basically lists are used to store the multiple item in a single variable. So lists are one of the 4 built in data type in Python. What I want to say, you can listen my word, and if you have pen and pencil, you can write down it immediately. Lists are one of the 4 built-in data type in Python used to store the collections of data, and other 3 are tuples. Basically list में 4 builds data types है, and others are tuple, sets and dictionary. Got it my point? All with different qualities and uses. Lists are created. Questions arise how we created the list. So we can create the list by using a square bracket. Okay, so let's create a one list, and we will use a list, the list class, right? this list. I have assigned some value using square bracket. Let's take Ram. No, sorry. Ramesh and Rajesh. Whatever you want to take name, no any limitations of taking name. So as your wish, you can do. Rajesh, Raju, whatever he wants, you can take freely for this type of. Firstly, you have to created the what है there the number of items data थ्री है बस उसको प्रिंट करवाना है ना that's it if you have uh, producing noise this type of as you see what we can't do anything because we are living in society and we have to maintain the rules and regulations of society. So please don't listen that type of noise. I will also irritate for that, but nothing I am doing. So print function use basically use and this list we have to paste at okay. जैसे ही आप इस चीज को प्रिंट कीजिएगा ना तो इसके सारे आइटम जो है वो आउटपुट पे दिखेंगे रन कर लेते हैं एक बार ओह इट्स गुड ऑलराइट so this is the first example and we will do some more example this is a list and one things you have to know whatever the list item are the ordered changeable and allow the duplicate value this is a point and you have to keep in mind list items are ordered changeable and allow the duplicate values means to say that अगर हम इस चीज को कॉपी कीजिए ठीक है कॉपी paste if you wants to add some more same item like Ramesh so it's copy paste you will run and you can see what things is once again Ramesh Rajesh यहाँ पे भी duplications allowed लिस्ट में duplication allowed है ठीक है बट टपल में डुप्लीकेशन अलाउड नहीं है एक और बात आप जितने भी कोडिंग करते हो ना बेसिकली सी सी प्लस प्लस यू विल यूज एन सेमी कॉलन टू एंड if you use here semicolon then you will get an error you can see the what the error will come एक 1 minute चलिए ऑल राइट ठीक है ओके so now we will study list length you have to you can also print the length of list basically if you see here there are three items right so you will get output as three there are four items you will get output as four how simple you can copy this statement paste it and basically you will use a length function use करेंगे आप राइट बेसिकली हमें यहाँ पे लेंथ फंक्शन को यूज करना है अब देखिए ठीक है एरर 1 minute in line 2 there are error what type of error is this oh yes I have missed the parenthesis that's why it's with the error now run it what you will get there are you will get 4 because the item is 4 you have this is the way to find the length of list now Now we will learn list, item, and the data type. All right. Basically, in this list, which type of data type is there? String type. Uh, what I want to say, basically string, int and boolean types डेटा आप जनरेट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. सो चलिए एक एग्जांपल लेके देख लेते हैं. लिस्ट वन में एक स्ट्रिंग लेंगे हम. इसको कॉपी कर दें. हाँ, इस स्ट्रिंग को. चलिए कॉपी, इसी को कॉपी कर देंगे. ठीक है. एंड हाँ, इसमें आपको वंस अगेन यहाँ पे आपको स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यूज करना है, राइट. एंड इन दिस साइड वी विल यूज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. ठीक है. एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं, लिस्ट टू करके. लिस्ट टू है आपका. हाँ, इंटीजर ले लेते हैं कुछ भी. 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. एक लिस्ट बनाते हैं आपका बुलियन. You can take boolean to false, as you know. False, false. All right. And print all the list. We have to use print function. And basically we'll copy all these things. Copy, paste, paste, and only change the list to list 3. And you will get the result. Once error also come, obviously I know what it is. Here I will use curly braces. My God, still error. Line 3. Okay, yes. Have a false. We have to do a capital. All right. You will get a string data type, integer data type, and boolean data type. I hope you all clear. Now we will learn our type. So list are defined as object with the data type list. ठीक है. तो एक टाइप पढ़ेंगे हम. टाइप फंक्शंस के बारे में बेसिकली क्या है वो देख लेते हैं. तो बेसिकली जो हमारा लिस्ट होता है वो लिस्ट है. ठीक है. कौन से टाइप का है? लिस्ट टाइप का है. देखिए कोड लिखा है. माई लिस्ट क्लास यूज करेंगे. इसमें हमारा एक यही आइटम से हम कॉपी कर देते हैं बार बार. टाइपिंग इट्स टू इरिटेटिंग वर्क. एंड लिस्ट हो गया. इसी को प्रिंट करना है कौन सा टाइप का है. सो प्रिंट कौन सा टाइप है. यू हैव टू मेंशन इट. टाइप माई लिस्ट. सो माई लिस्ट I have class. Once error also print. Yes. Yeah, big parenthesis छूट गया है. All right. आपका जो है लिस्ट आ गया. कौन सा क्लास है? तो लिस्ट क्लास. Now we will discussing a list constructor. ठीक है. List constructor to use to make a list. इसके लिए आपको यहाँ पे लिस्ट नाम देखिए. आपको यहाँ पे लिस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर में आपको basically no double down bracket will be allowed. Means to say that लिस्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर का मतलब हुआ कि देखिए एग्जाम्पल समझते हैं. You have to declare this list, and we will use list double brackets, and you can take this string also. Okay, all right. सही है, ठीक है. You have to close this double quotes and obviously print this list. इसको कॉपी करके इसमें we have to paste it, and you will get the list, this list, the element of this list. Run it. You can see Ramesh Rajesh, and Ramesh Raj you will get. So now it will we will done all these things, and now we will discussing a Python access list item. मतलब जो भी लिस्ट है उस लिस्ट में से हम किसी आइटम को एक्सेस कैसे करेंगे, उसके लिए आपका सिंटेक्स है. चलिए देखते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको दिस लिस्ट करके आपको ये दिस लिस्ट इज इक्वल टू, इस बार कुछ और लेते हैं. इस बार रबीस Rastogi, whatever you want we can take as your base name. I am Rastogi and Chris. All right, and close this. And इसमें से मान लीजिए कि हमें ये आइटम चाहिए. इसका इंडेक्सिंग क्या है, 1 है. ये किस यहाँ पे हम इसको चाहिए तो हमें इस तरह से लिखना होगा, प्रिंट दिस लिस्ट एंड इसका इंडेक्स नंबर 1. और राइट, इंडेक्स नंबर 1 करेंगे तो रस्तोगी आ जाएगा. एक सेकंड. Our indexing is start with 0 and 1. That's why Rastogi is come. If we print this list to, and you will get Chris. Chris, as you see, it is a accessing method of any data item. Now, negative indexing means to what? Now we will discussing a one term, it is a negative indexing. So negative indexing means start from end, refer to the last item, and minus to refer to the second last item. That means -1. So basically when we use -1, it means it will refer to the last element. And -2, once again, this is a negative indexing. So print this list and we'll use -2. All right, means to say that it will give Rastogi. From the left side it will show the -1. If we write -1, it gives Chris, -2 Rastogi. We can see, as you see, Rastogi is printed. No. Next topic our is range of indexes. Range of indexes means you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the range will be a new list with a specified item. So here if we the range means to say that I will explain with example. It will be easy for me. Take this list and in bracket we will use so whatever we will take, well, takes a fruit name. Second one is banana. Third one is grapes. Fourth one is coconut. Four item. So yes, I will in this now. What we declare here is we declare that print and this list. Okay, and we declared the ratio 2 ratio 5 if we declare, and you have to understand what the meaning is. I will explain it. I have written basically there is a फोर वंस टू करके एक और कुछ लिया जाए. चलिए इस बार कुछ और नाम ले लेते हैं. कीवी. वन नेम इज कीवी. Fruit name is also, this is also fruit name. And last is melon. All right. All right. If we write this list and we have, if we declare 2 ratio 5, it means we start with indexing 2 and in the index with 5. When we starting indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means your indexing 2 is grapes. The output will be print from grapes to melon. This item only will printed on your output. Let's see what I'm saying. Grape, coconut, kiwi, melon. Melon is missing. Why? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Basically, when we declare 5, whenever whatever we declare in term, it will not be included. Okay. Start with grapes but not end with melon because the indexing is 5. We have to go from 2 to 4, not included 5. That's the rules. You can take for more for practice another function print 3, not 3, 1, 2, 4. What we will get? Mm, in this time we will get the output banana to coconut. You will see the output. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah, no problem. Paste. So we are done with this. Okay. So we will put the things here and we will do the things in next video. Thank you.